Investing in Google, or more accurately Alphabet Inc., the parent company of Google, can be done through buying its publicly traded shares on stock exchanges. Here's how you can invest in Google and potentially earn money. Research. Before investing, research Alphabet Inc.'s financial performance, products, services, and competitive position in the market. Evaluate factors like revenue growth, profitability, and future prospects. Choose a broker. Open an investment account with a brokerage firm that offers access to stock exchanges where Alphabet Inc. shares are traded, such as the New York Stock Exchange or NASDAQ. Place an order. Use your brokerage account to place a buy order for Alphabet Inc. shares. Specify the number of shares you want to purchase and the price at which you're willing to buy. Monitor your investment. Keep track of Alphabet Inc.'s stock performance, market trends, and news that may impact the company. Consider setting up alerts to stay informed about price changes. Dividends and capital gains. As an investor, you may earn money through dividends, which are payments made to shareholders, and capital gains, which occur when the stock price increases and you sell your shares at a profit. Long-term perspective. Consider adopting a long-term investment strategy. Google has historically been a growth-oriented company, and investing with a long-term perspective may yield better results.